What we're doing is we're taking these woods and we're getting them on sticks to promote air movement and remove a lot of that free moisture. Once it goes into the kilns and we have those controlled environments, we can control temperature within those environments. We can also control the rate at which we remove moisture. So as soon as we start introducing heat, that's going to start releasing some of that trapped moisture within the wood, and we can dictate how fast we want to remove that. The nice thing about these environments is that we can create an environment that holds the right humidity as well as the right temperature, and we can adjust that as needed, as fast or as slow as we need to.
This room that we're in now, the mill, is where we process all of the wood. We're taking our raw lumber and we're cutting it down into usable pieces. We are doing different procedures, cutting, sanding, shaping, even some CNC work at that stage in preparation of sending it down the line. We're over on the side to show the machines that cut out and profile all of our pieces of wood. We started to use these lasers in the late 90s for our baby tailor and use them to etch in a sound hole rosette. We realized the advantage to use these to cut out all of our pieces, which is great for us as we're processing this rare and expensive tone wood. The room that we're in now is a rosette room. This is where we do the sound hole detailing. We're using different materials to do this, from wood and fiber and plastic to abalone shell. Okay, we're over in body assembly area. At this stage, we've taken the sides and bent them to the shape. We put in our tail and our heel blocks, and we put on our kerfing. So now we're ready to marry up the top and the back to this body. Okay, we are now in final assembly area. This is the area where all of these parts come together to become our guitars. The neck is joined to the body, and the nut and the saddle are put in, the strings are put on, and everything is checked to make sure that we're within tailor spec. The guitar will be inspected by a single person and then wiped off and put in a case and ready to go out the door.